One last look at these. Y'all already see. Oh hell no, bro. This shit's gonna look so cool. All right here, before and after. Actually, we're only gonna do one, and then we'll do the one after, so then they can like
half and half.
Yeah, so they can be like half and half. Boys, I have not even opened it at all. Oh, I got it, dude. I was supposed to get this next week. I don't know what the fuck happened.
Heard it?
Yeah.
And the Christmas gift?
Fuck, dude. I'm excited. I'm super excited.
Let's get it.
Look, you see? I haven't even fucking took the bubble wrap off.
He's capping.
Oh.
He taped that shit back up. He looked at them hella fast.
Oh, that's not facts.
Straight facts.
Wait, hold up, bruh. Hold up. Those shits go hard. What is this? Stickers? Nah, I don't think any stickers. Oh, instructions. Nah, we don't need those.
They're looking pretty good.
Oh, those shits go hard,
yeah,
bruh.
I like that. I like that.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, look at, I love that too. The little sucking. They already know.
Oh, that's gonna look so sick,
Bro,
nigga.
these are mint.
This like bright red right here goes so hard, nigga.
Yeah, these are fucking mint, bruh. Look at that shit.
God damn, that shit looks good.
When you sent the snap, nigga, I thought it was a girl. Oh, I couldn't battle it.
Okay, what were we gonna about to say if it was?
So,
She would have got out of the car and left.
here's your food, bro.
Here's your food, bro? Who are you giving the food for? To me?
He's gonna get mad. Nah, you can grab it. Ya dijo.
Oh, nigga!
You gave this nigga permission, bro.
No. I'm talking about the fucking camera. You motherfucker sucker, you. Oh, that shit hurt, bro. It hurt.
You gave him permission to do it, nigga.
Yeah. Oh my god. Because it's under the carpet, this last bolt over here. Dude, that shit fucking stings still. Ow, motherfucker. Never do that again. That's fucked up.
Yeah, blur. Shut up, nigga. Not dead.
Lucy.
Oh my god.
Hey, Daniel, when you're editing this, cut that. Wait, look. Oh, wait, we can just take the whole thing off. Like all this. Oh, yeah, facts. Look. Neck, bro. Neck. Because look, we just take those off and then we replace it with this one.
Anyway.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, you're actually a nag, bro. What the fuck?
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Anyways.
Wait, I'm missing a bulb?
Yeah, this one right here.
Ah, fuck it. I don't need it right now. You weren't even supposed to take it off. I'm fucking in your kid. This side compared to this side, boys. Sheesh. Huh? 500 at least. Yo, that shit looks cool though. I just wanted to fit right though. Yeah, these look cool though. Damn. Hold on, let me put the other one on, bro. Oh, you okay, Daniel? Oh, hell no. Oh, that shit goes off, bro. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yo, these tail lights go off, boys. Bruh.
What? Ring?
Compared to these, like, these are cool too, you know? But like, yeah, these are way better. These are cool though, these are cool. Yeah, that shit goes off. Once I'm aired out, once I get my fucking new wheels,
You already know which one you're gonna get?
I have an idea. I don't know exactly, I'm not set exactly on which wheels I'm getting, but I have an idea. I might run some other ones for now though, like I might switch it up just to switch it up. Do the signals! Woo, that shit looks sick, bro! Brother! Oh shit! Okay. That shit went crazy, bro. Oh, these tail lights are so sick. Bro, tail lights go off. Bro, it looks so nice, bro. hell no. Bro, that shit looks so cool, bro. That shit looks so cool. Look. They look hella cool, bro. Oh, hell no. Huh? They look clean, huh? Bro, these are so sick. Sheesh. Let me give you a close-up. Magic colors, you feel me? Oh, yeah. It's low-key annoying to install this left one, but after that, it's chilling. Every time I do a little mod, I fall in love with the car again. It's real, though. It's real. It's real. Bro, I'm like looking at it right now. Oh. Little by little, boys. Hey, let me know what you guys think down below, bro, for real. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like the video. You already know. GTI. I know all you guys here watch GTI videos, but look, there's a real car right here. That's what you have to subscribe to. No way, you just been second. Oh hell no. That's the way you don't do it. Oh hell no. I did that on purpose, huh?
Smooth, nigga. That was smooth.
What's the retail for one of those?
One you can afford, pal.
I can't even tell.
Me so sorry I didn't start good.
Yeah, I know.
Misa's really about to raise this fool in the Mama Whiskeys. My GTI, I parked next to the Gramps. Let's hear the cold start.
This just smells like a car wash.
Hey, we're gonna fix the starter on Monday, bro. We're gonna fix the starter. What the fuck? That's so loud! Oh, that, hey, it looks clean rolling though. That is so loud.
You can get get pulled over for that, no?
Hell yeah, dude. Dude, fool, just have to look at him and he's already pulled over. Holy shit. That is so loud.
I don't know how the fuck.
Oh shit, bruh. That is so loud, bruh. Bruh, no room for me, bruh.
Sorry, man. I've been fucking.
Where's the log? What the fuck?
Right there on the bottom.
Oh my god, I think I locked it, bruh. Oh shit, it smells nice. Birthdays were the worst days.
That's what it was like that day. And then I crashed.
It was starting to come out cool. Look, you lost it. Huh?
I fucked up hella bad. You know why? The carpet was hella fucked up. I went. Nigga, I fucking.
The thing is,
I went.
it would have been mad funny if there was a video of it, dude.
I was gonna put the GoPro in the back, but then I was like, ah, fuck.
Fuck it. This is our swag store right here, boys. Tilly's, back in the day. And then baking soda. We'll be home right now. We're at Baskin right now, bruh. We're at Baskin and we robbing. Boy, if you don't